In this video, I'm going to show you how to download hundreds or even thousands of products from a retail website. And the reason why we want to be able to do this is that we are not able to get a list of products from retail suppliers because they're not actually suppliers, right? These are actual online stores. They do not provide a list of their product data. Also, in my case, I'm actually going to use that data and bring it into a Google Sheet that I made, which will automatically search these products and try to find the same products on Amazon. So having that list will be necessary so that I can feed that list into this Google Sheet. Okay, a list of the product titles and certain other data, the titles, the prices. This is data that I need. Okay. So in other videos, I go into way more and show you how to actually use that Google Sheet. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how to actually download the product data from the page. So in this case, I'm going to use the clearance page. And you can apply this to any page, but I will apply it to the clearance page. And when you click on the clearance page, you see all these different products that show up, right? They have titles. You see that they have the brand name and they have prices. So this stuff, whatever's actually on the page in front of you, can be downloaded using a Chrome extension. So this free Chrome extension is called Instant Data Scraper. And when you click on it, it will put a red box around the section that it's trying to download. And it downloads it into a spreadsheet format. And if you look inside of here, the results of the Chrome extension, you'll actually see the data that it is downloading. You'll see these Marshall's links here. I think these are like the product links. You'll see these images here. And really, for my purposes, I really just need the prices. If I scroll over to the right, you'll even see the brand names where it says product brand. You'll see the titles and you'll see the prices. You'll see the discounted prices and these prices that are the strike through prices, the prices that were striked out. So these are the new discounted prices. So it gives you all that stuff, but that's really what I need is the discounted prices, the titles, the brands are useful, and of course the URLs so I can actually navigate the products. That is the data that I really need. And if you go ahead and click on CSV, you can actually go ahead and download that first page now to a CSV, which when you open the CSV, it will look like a mess here, but when you import it to Google Sheets, it's going to be a lot neater. Okay, so now we can download many more pages than that, but just to show you how to get it into Google Sheets, I will go ahead and show you how to import that CSV in on Google Sheets. So I'll go here. This is where it goes. It goes on this IDS CSV tab, file, import, and then upload, browse. I know that's kind of fast. Should be in the downloads folder, Marshalls, and open. Okay, that's the process. And then here I will replace current sheet and then import data. That whole process I just did, I demonstrate that again when I do the full demonstration of how to actually use these Google Sheets. So for this video, I'm really just doing it quickly just to show you that you can do it. All right. But for detailed instruction on the Google Sheet, that's not part of this video. I'm just showing you how to get this product data. Okay. So you see the product data and you see, all the different columns are neatly arranged. And again, the titles, the brand, title, price combination, which I really need. Those three pieces of data, and the URL should be over here. Product URLs. And sometimes you have to check to make sure. Yeah, product link, href. Yeah. Okay, those are the URLs of the products. Okay, so that is the process. But I do want to show you one more thing here with Instant Data Scraper. I will go back to it. I was doing another one before. What you do is you click on Locate Next button, and that will give you more pages. So again, you click on that Locate Next button over here, Instant Data Scraper. And then when you go down here, you have to click the button down at the bottom, the next button, the small button, right here, and it will continue from that point. It will continue scraping more pages. So I had paused the video, but I couldn't remember if I had told you that you need to click on start crawling after you, so basically after you click that next button at the bottom of the page on the website, you have to go back to Instant Data Scraper, click start crawling. Right now it says stop because I already started it. So I paused the recording, but I couldn't remember if I had told you that. So I'm just showing you that here. But now I have to wait. If I want all of the pages, I'll have to wait for it to actually finish scraping all these pages. But it's actually, at the end of that process, you'll have more pages, and it's just the same process to import it into Google Sheets that I just demonstrated earlier. So I don't really need to demonstrate that again. It will be the same process. You'll just have more products. So again, if you want to actually know the full process of how to actually use this product data to actually match it to other websites using the automated Google Sheet that I made over here, in this case, the Amazon Matcher, then you can look around. Perhaps in the description of this video, I might have a link, and around the channel in general or wherever you're watching this video. But you can definitely find more content on it around the channel. And that's it. I'm Mr. Mark, and I'll see you in another video.